Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Art. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm working on a geode piece. I tried something different this time because when I do these big pieces, I always end up getting a little pooling in certain areas. So I thought I would try to do a clear coat of resin down first to kind of give it that little firmness, so hopefully it won't pool away. Because usually when I do in the geodes, I do like 2 layers normally, because my first layer always ends up kind of pooling somewhere, so the second layer kind of levels it all out. So I thought I would try it this way and see what happens. Colors that I'm going to use are Hippie Crafters Silver Black. Really beautiful black color. It has lots of shimmer to it. I've used this one before. I have to order more. I'm also going to use Hippie Crafters Silver Gray. And just look at that. Look how pretty that is. That. And then I have, this is just some black. And it looks like it has a little bit of purplish in there. So just glitter in the resin, glitter that I got from Michael's. And then I'm also using Eye Candy's Shimmer Ghost Violet for my white color, but it has a little purplish tint to it. I think it's going to be really pretty down. So let's get started here. But I really like how the colors are meshing together. And I'm liking how I'm getting some purple in there. That's really pretty. Look at that. All right, so I'll bring it back tomorrow when we're ready to do the lines. So I'm going to start off with doing the silver around my stones here. My mirrored glass and my clear quartz model glue or paint. But this is a metallic silver. Now we'll do my markers. I'm going to use white. This is a Hippie Crafter white. And this is a Sharpie metallic paint. All right, so I think, I don't know, I'm trying to decide. But I think that looks good. I think that's plenty. I should have let my resin set a little bit longer so it didn't spread out so much. But I like it. I love the purple in there, but I love purple. I just did some white and silver lines, and then the silver. And the glitter that I used, this I get from Walmart. I really like this glitter. It's got some chunks in there, like shards, I guess you want to call it, because there's like some long pieces, some iridescent colors in that silver. So this is like one of my favorite silver glitters to use for lines. Just kind of gives it some extra funkiness to it. Yeah, I don't like how some of these lines have gotten just a little too thick for me. The best thing to do so this doesn't happen is to let, when you put your resin or your glitter in the resin, if you let it set a little bit longer, then it won't, it'll kind of stay up a little bit, but not. And I kind of didn't do that with some of it because I was, got a little spot there that didn't have any. Okay, so I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. But you see how some of that glitter, like it's gotten really fat because it wasn't thick enough. So it's kind of laying down a little bit more than I wanted it to. This one here just has the mirrored glass in that chunk. And this one has some clear quartz cluster in there. Just look at that shimmer and those mica powders. So pretty. And then this one has the bigger chunk in there. But you guys will have to tell me what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate you guys watching, supporting my channel. I hope everybody's doing well, staying safe out there, and have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye-bye.